my materialistic minions, it's me, Bo Chevasu. I am up here on my deck. That's a giant slide that goes down. It's so much fun. But first, I wanted to show you a brief little installation video of this. Now, obviously, this is not a fence post, but it is a little square, so I just wanted to quickly simulate this, and you can see that that square aligns with this right here. Now, you may be like, but Bo, what if I have a fence post that is not exactly this square right there? Well, take a close look at this beautifully brilliant, innovative design. So as you can see, there are actually some shims that pop out. And if you look closely, each of those shims is stamped with how big of a top fence post this will fit. So let's say, for example, you had a 4x4 inch post. You simply take this out. You can discard that, and then it will fit just nicely. Now you may be like, okay, but Bo, is this going to actually stay sturdy on there? Yes, indeed it will, because it comes with a whole bunch of screws similar to this, and this goes all the way through all of the shims, not only on this side, but on the other side as well. Now, if you were to turn this off, this little slider switch, it would be right in the middle. So if I were to cover this, you can see that it is not lighting up. So I'm simulating it being dark because the sensor light is on the solar panel right here. So if we were to rock it in this direction, all the way this way, cover it up, you can see that there is a blue light that comes on. Personally, I like the warmer of the lights, which if you were to flick it in the opposite direction, now it is a warmer type light. So one is a 3000 Kelvin warm light, the other is the 6000 Kelvin cool light, and personally I prefer this light like so. And also what's cool about this is even when it is not actually on, like the light isn't on, the sunlight can still filter through it and it still adds a beautiful little sparkle. So all along your fence line, it still looks nice even when it is not lit up at night.